How to announce certification on LinkedIn. So if you want to announce certification on LinkedIn, then first you need to just open up your LinkedIn application if you have the application, or you can also go with your profile or your browser. Once you're here on the browser, you need to just go with your profile, which is on the top right, tap on me and tap on view profile. Once you tap on view profile, now here you will have an option of add a profile section. Tap on add a profile section and then tap on recommended, which is on the bottom. And here you will have an option of add license and certifications. Tap on it and it will take you to a page where you'll need to enter the information like your name, your issuing organization, issue date, year, expiration date, credential ID, your credential URL. You can also add some skills and media, and after that you can go with save, which is on the bottom right. After that, you can finally share your post about your certification. This is your opportunity to highlight your achievements, explain why you choose to pursue this certification, what you've learned, and how it will benefit your career. Be sure to include relevant hashtags and keywords to boost your visibility. Announcing your certification on LinkedIn is a powerful way to showcase your skills and expertise to potential employers. By following these steps, you can ensure your certification or announce your certification on LinkedIn. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.